this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your microphone volume in OBS. So if you have an issue with the microphone, maybe it is not loud enough. Now there are two steps you can take to make sure that you are audible enough. Now the first thing, you have to identify your microphone. As you can see here, we have the desktop audio, and then we have here the mic audio. So the first thing, go ahead and make sure that the microphone volume is set to maximum here. And as you can see, mine is set to maximum. However, if yours is still set to maximum but you don't have quality sound, then go ahead and tap on these three dots here under the microphone. And from here, tap on advanced audio properties. Now this will open this advanced audio properties window. And from this, look for this option called volume. So if you go ahead and tap on it, you can see now we have our volume percentage indicated, and we have here the volume for our desktop audio and then for our microphone. Now our issue is with the microphone, and to increase the volume, just go ahead and adjust this beyond 100. As you can see, mine is currently set to 100. Maybe yours might be less, or it might be at 100, but you can still improve from this 100 by increasing it when you use this tab. Now if I go ahead and tap on this, you can now start hearing my microphone volume start increasing. So increase this to a level that you are comfortable, and once you are there, just leave it at that. And by the way, to hear yourself as you increase or reduce the volume, you can turn on this audio monitoring so that as you speak, you can hear yourself. So if I go ahead and turn this, I can now hear myself. So I'll be able to know whether the sound is okay or it needs some improvement. So that's how you can increase your microphone volume in OBS. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.